Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. Today's video is going to be an unboxing for the Jeffree Star Mini and Premium box and 3 of the Velvet Trap lipsticks. The first thing we're going to unbox is the Velvet Trap lipsticks. I'm also going to be doing swatches of each of the lipsticks. The first one we have is the Perfect Red. Then we have Jawbreaker. And the last shade I have is Pure Hell. So these are the 3 shades I got. And all of the Velvet Traps smell like creme brulee. The first mystery box I'm going to open is the Mini Mystery Box. The Mini Mystery Box retailed at $25 and it comes with 3 items. The first item I got is the Cherry Wet Lip Liner. The second item I got is Unicorn Blood. And the last thing I got in my Mini Mystery Box is the gloss in Wet Peach. And I'm going to go ahead and swatch all 3 of those for you. This is what the gloss looks like. It's a very pretty peach gloss. This is what the Cherry Wet Lip Liner looks like. And that's its shade. And this is what Unicorn Blood looks like. And that is Unicorn Blood shade. And we have the Premium Mystery Box. The Premium Mystery Box retailed for $60 and it came with 5 items. The first item that I pulled out of my box was the Jeffree Star exclusive Halloween beanie. The second item is Blue Blood. And I am going to be showing you an eye look with Blue Blood today. I also got a lip liner in the shade Weirdo. A velour liquid lipstick in the shade Leo, and a gloss in the shade Shockwave. And I'm going to go ahead and swatch those 3 lip items for you as well. This is the packaging for Weirdo. And here's what Weirdo looks like. Here is the packaging for Leo. And here's what Leo looks like. And here's the packaging for the gloss in Shockwave. And here's the shade Shockwave. Here's what Blue Blood's packaging looks like. Here's the inside of Blue Blood. I'm going to first start with the shade Blue Blood in my crease. And I'm going to use a Morphe Edge Jaclyn Hill JH35 brush to apply Blue Blood in my crease. I'm also going to apply Blue Blood to my outer corner. Now I'm going to take Undertaker on a JS6 brush from Morphe and apply it into my crease. Now I'm going to go back to my JH35 brush from Morphe and back into Blue Blood and blend out Undertaker. Now I'm going to take Undertaker and apply it to my lower lash line. Now I'm going to take some Tarte Shape Tape and cut my crease. Now I'm going to apply Entitled to my lid. Now I'm going to take this shade and apply it to my inner corner. For mascara, I'm using the Tarte Man-Eater. And for lashes, I'm wearing the Java Lash Company in the style Miami. And for lips, I'm going to use the Weirdo lip liner that I got in my premium box and the Velvet Trap Pure Health. If you enjoyed the video, please hit the like and subscribe button. Also, let me know in the comments down below what you got in your mystery box.